Good morning students. Chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Previous class we learn about the multiplication of a decimal number. Today we learn about the division of a decimal number. First example is 6.4 divided by 2. Remove the point. First step is remove the point. There is one digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write denominator is 10 and divide by 2. 64 upon 10. Reciprocal the second fraction and sign will be changed. Then answer is 1 upon 2. 61 upon 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 32 upon 10. Point will be put before one digit, so answer is 3.2. Clear students? Next question is exercise 2.7. Question number first is 0.4 divided by 2. First step is remove the point 0.4. There is one digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write denominator is 10. Reciprocal the second fraction and sign will be changed 1 upon 2. Numerator multiply by numerator, 4 multiply by 1 upon 10 multiply by 2. 2 upon 10. There is one digit before, point will be put after before one digit, so answer is 0.2. Clear? Next question is question number second. 0.35 divided by 5. There is two digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write denominator is 100. Sign will be changed and reciprocal the second fraction 35 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 5. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 upon 100. Point will be put before two digit because denominator is 100. 0.07 is answer. Clear students? Next question number 5th is question number third is 2.48 divided by 4. There is two digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write 2.48. Denominator is 100. Sign will be changed 1 by 4. Reciprocal the second fraction. So cut the number 2 2s are 4 and again 1 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2 and 6 and 2 62. Okay, 62 upon 100. Point will be put before two digit because बेटा डिनोमिनेटर में कितने जीरो है, 2 zeros है ना, तो पॉइंट 2 डिजिट के बाद लग जाएगा, तो 1 digit 2 digit and point and 0. Then answer is 0.62. Clear? Question number second is find the value of 4.8 divided by 10. Division by 10. There is one digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write remove the point upon 10. Reciprocal the second fraction 1 upon 10. 48 upon 100. Point will be put before two digits, so answer is 0.48. Clear beta? Next question is 52.5 divide by 10. 52.5 divide by 10. बेटा इजीली इसको हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Shifting the decimal point to the left by shifting the decimal point to the left by one place. So answer is 5.25. Clear? Next question number 4 is 272.23 divided by 10. 272.23 divided by 10 divided by 10. First step is remove the point. There is 2 digit right to be the decimal point, so we can write denominator is 100, reciprocal the second fraction 10 upon 1000. So answer is, point will be put before 3 digit, so answer is 3, 2, 2.7 and 2. Second solution is shifting the decimal point to the left by one place. So answer is left by one places. So answer is 27.223. Clear, students? Next question is divisor by 100. Question number 3rd. First question is 2.7 divided by 100. 2.7 divided by 100. Shifting the decimal point to the left 2 places. So we can write answer is 0.027. 0.027. Clear? Again solution is 2.7. Remove the point, denominator is 10 and 1 upon 100, reciprocal the second fraction. So we can write 27 upon 10 multiplied by 100, 1000. Point will be put before 3 digits. So answer is 0.027. Answer will be same. Next question is question number 3rd. 0.78 divided by 100. 0.78 divided by 100. Shifting the decimal point left to be the 2 places. So answer is 0.078. Second solution is 0.78. Remove the point upon 100. There is 2 digit right to be the decimal point. So multiply and reciprocal of second fraction. So 78 upon 10,000. So point will be put before 4 digit. So answer is 0.0078. Clear? Divisible by 1000. Question number 4 is divide by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. Shifting the decimal point before 3 places. Shifting the decimal point to the left 3 places. Solution is 7.9. Remove the point upon 100. Denominator is 10 and reciprocal the second fraction. 79 upon 10,000. Point will be put before 4 digits. So answer is 9700.0. So answer is 0.0079. Okay students, next question is question number 2. 26.3 divided by 1000. 26.3 divided by 1000. Shifting the decimal point. Shifting the decimal point to the left 3 places. So we can write 0.0263. Solution is remove the point, denominator is 10, reciprocal the second fraction, and 263 divided by 10,000. So point will be put before 4 digit 3, 6, 2.0 and 0.0. So answer will be same 0.0263 and 0.0263. Okay students, next question is question number 5. 7 divided by 3.5. 7 divided by 3.5. First step is remove the point upon 10. Reciprocal the second fraction. 7 upon 1, sign will be changed, 10 upon 35. So 7 multiplied by 10, 70 upon 35. 35 2 za 17. Answer is 2. Question number 2 is 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2. First step is remove the point upon 1, divide 0.2. Remove the point, denominator is 10 because there is one digit right to be the decimal point. So we can write reciprocal of second fraction, sign will be changed, 10 upon 2. So 1 za and 8 za. So 18 multiplied by 10, 180 is answer. Okay students, this chapter is complete. Next class we will discuss about the chapter number 4, simple equations. Thank you so much.